Good. Alrighty, I hope you all joined again back. That's good. Anyhow, there was some network issues were happening. Because of that reason, suddenly it was collapsed. Because some other call I got because of that reason. Anyhow, no worries. Let's start again. So let's check that whether audio and video clarity is good or not, and let's move on to this. EFG three-digit number expansion. So how to do that three-digit expansion? So here EFG is there. So 100E plus 10F plus G. Whoever written this answer, that is correct answer. 100E plus 10F plus G is your correct answer. I hope you all understood this. Let's move on to the next. Very good, sir. Very nice. So let's move on to the next. I'll rub now. I hope you all understood now what is the general form of two-digit number, three-digit number and all. Let's move on to the next. Okay, so next one, it is our playing with numbers. Next part, you have to understand that how to find unknown letter. How to find unknown letter. Wow, now onwards it is going to be little more interesting, and you just need to guess and you have to give the answers. Very, very simple questions. You just need to answer by guessing it. So let me give for you some numbers, then you can understand. So there is one number given in this way for you all. For example, let's see here. 91, let's say here 9A, and here 3 is given, and this part is 7, 9. Plus symbol is given. What should be my A? You are understood? This is your question. They given to you like this: 9A plus 3 gets 97. What should be this A? Can anyone tell? Okay, very good. Here first it's written by Divyanshu Solanki 4, then Krishnapal, then Hemendra, then Nishta. Very good. Kanishka, everyone was given now. That's good. Now, you understood that if we add 4 to this, then 97 I am going to get, because 4 plus 3, 7. Similarly, now one more question I am going to write. You just need to tell to me. So next one, 19 plus B, and I have to get that as it is 20. What should be my answer? So 19 plus B, and here 20 is given. What should be my answer? Very good. So whoever written one, that is correct answer. Nice. Okay, Divyanshu written, Aish written, Hemendra written, Krishnapal written, Sundar written. Oh, very good. So that means you are genius in this. So now at last we'll write here B is equal to 1. Simple. Answer finished. And here A is equal to 4. Answer finished. Let's take some more little bit difficult manner. Let us take this question I am going to take now for you. A, then I need to get answer as BA. What should be my A? What should be my B? Can anyone tell? A. So here you are observed that letter is repeated. And A I want at the same manner, B I want. In such a way, the letter need to be repeated, which is possible to take. Check here. I'm going to give myself answer, then later you can check. Let's take A as 5. 5, 5, 5. When you add these all, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 5 and 1. Let's check now. All the places 5, 5, 5, 5. That is nothing but A. And this part is a different, that is B. You are understood now. In this way, you have to think and you have to write your answer. Here, what is given? A, and added this all. Again, A got, and here B got. So, such kind of time, you have to think, you have to use your brain. And here, remember, here, you have to use 0 to 9 digits only. We don't want to use another numbers, only digits you have to use. So now here I took 5 except this, any other number if we take it is possible? No. If you take 0, not possible. 1, if you take some other different answer. 2 also different, 3 also different, 5 only possible. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 you get as 15. So now here A plus 5 and B plus 1. So at last what you need to write? A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 1. Okay, I'll give one more question, such kind of one. If possible, it is there means okay. It is not there. Then multiplication also let us check. So you are observed till now this additions, right? So multiplication also we are going to discuss now so that you can understand how that multiplication also possible. So one multiplication I want to give for you all. Okay, 1A into A, and I have to get answer as 9A. So how this is possible to know that what kind of number it is? Simply you had to go for trial and error method. So first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's take 0. When you take 0, 10 into 0, 0 will come, so that 0 not possible to take. 11 into 1, 11 will come, so that this also not possible. Then take as a 2. It is just like 2 if you take 12 into 2. So 24. So here 9 is there. So wrong it is. Next to 3 take. So it is wrong. Let's go for 3. 13 into 3. 3 threes are 9. And then 3 ones are 3. Here both are wrong. So then this is also wrong. Then 4 also same manner wrong you are going to get. 5 also not possible. 6 check. 16 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 96, 9 came. And this all same only you got. So what is your answer now? Your answer is A is 6 and completed answer A is equal to 6. That's it. In this way, you have to check by using the trial error method and you have to find your answers. Okay? That is about the magic of numbers. So we need to play with the numbers in such a way. So some letters you have to take and you have to find. This is called as like quiz manner. We have to learn, and this when it is going to be easy means when you practice more with the friends, not by your own. It is actually you have to play with your friends, then you have to find the answers. Okay, let me rub this part, and then now I will solve your exercise number 16.1. Then we are going to discuss another concept, is that divisibility rules. After that we are going to complete our exercise number 2. So now completely you have to guess, and we are going to write the answers. Okay. You all ready? You all ready to give your answers? If you are ready, keep that thumb symbol. Then we'll go for answers. So here it is exercise number 16.1. I'm going to write first one. 3A plus 2, 5. Then B2. Now tell to me, for 5, which number I need to add to get the 2? Is there any digit like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Is there any digit to add to this to get as a 2? Positive digits, no negative digits. Remember, positive digits only. Na, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So which number? So you understood that it is not possible to add some other number. We have to add greater number. Then only you are going to get as a 2. That is what? 7. 5 plus 7 is nothing but 12. So let me write that 3 plus 2, and here let me take as 7 and then 5. 5 plus 7 is nothing but 12. 1 is carry here. 1 plus 3 is nothing but, how much 1 plus 3 is nothing but? Is nothing but 4. 4 plus 2 is nothing but 6. So answer is B is other number and A is other number. So now A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 6. You need to estimate that who is written first. Okay, so B6 written by Arukshita, Nishita written B6, and Krishnapal written A7 B6. Aish written B6. So don't check your textbook. Without checking your textbook, you have to write your answers. That is about your first question. Let's move on to the second now. Now 4A plus 98, C, B and 3. Again same procedure. How you will add? You will add always left side to right side, right? So first, anyhow it is which side? Right side to left side. So right side, the last one, what is there? A plus 8 is equal to 3 I want. Which number I need to add to get that? So if you add 5, 5 plus 8 is nothing but how much? 13. So now let's take this as a 5. I will get as a 13. Then 1 will be carrying. So 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Then you check now all the different numbers you got or not. So now my answer is here. A is equal to 5. B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 1. Once again you need to write this 4, A plus substitute 5, 9, 8 plus symbol. When you add this you are getting 1, 4, 3. That is about second question. Who is given answer? First who is given? Okay, B is 1, C is equal to 1, B4, C1, C1, C1. Okay, very good. See, you need to guess. Without guessing, it is not possible. Take pen and paper, then only it is possible to solve fastly. If you are not using pen and paper, then it is not possible to get anything here. Okay? Try with the trial error method. You need to use first 0, not possible, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. So you have to guess which is suitable here. So you observed here 5 is suitable, then only 5 plus 8, 13 you are going to get. Means 3 you are going to get there. So that is about second. Let's move on to the third one. Third one already I was solved for you all previously. So I just want to ask you what is answer. Into A, then 9A. What should be my A? 1A into A, then 9A. So what is your answer here? Let me check who is going to write, who is written first. Yes, A is 6. Shreya written, Hemendra written, Krishnapal written, and Harshita written. Very good. Mehak written, Aish written, Sundar written. Give claps to everyone. Very simple here. Just write 16 into 6 is 96. So now A is equal to 6. Finished your answer. It is your third question. Let's move on to the fourth. Fourth question now. Okay. So fourth it is given as AB plus 3, 7 and you need to get answer as here 6 and A. Sir, what is this, sir? A is there. How, sir, I can find out answer? Hmm? So, clue is in this place. Let's check here. Here I want 6. Then what should be here? So this should be 2. Then only this part will be added here. So now here, let's take A as a 2. Then this place also 2. Always remember how to take this as is. First, if 6 are there here, so 6 minus 3, 3. In that 3, 1 remove because here carrying possibility is there. That is the reason 1 we should remove. Then you have to take the 2. So when you take A as a 2, then B should be what? See here, here 12. So here 2 is there. So for 7, what I need to get as a 12? So B should be as a 5. Let's check now. A is 2, B is 5, and then 3 and 7, what you are going to get as an answer? 7 plus 5, 12. So 1 should be carrying, then 62. You are going to get or not? So now check here, this and this is same or not? Yes, it is same. And same method now, another one, this B is different or not? Yes. So now at last, therefore, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5. So A2 you are going to get, B as 5 you are going to get. Okay. I hope you all understood this. Once again, listen carefully how you need to solve this problem. So here A, B, 3, 7, 6, A is given. So you are not having any clue here because here A got. So that is the reason clue is from the tens place digits. So now here 6 is there, 3 is there. 6 minus 3 you are going to get as a 3. So now this number should be 3, but you there is a possibility of carrying here. Because of that reason you have to remove 1 and you have to take 2. If it is like 4 is given, 4 you got, then you have to take as 3. Okay, I hope you all understood, already kept the thumb symbols. Good. So next one, fifth question we are going to solve now. Fifth one. Fifth one, who is going to solve fastly? Let me check. AB into 3 so that CAB. Okay, you had to multiply some two-digit number with the 3 so that you need to get CAB. Simply see here, take first 10 into 3. What you get? 30. Not possible. Then 2 take 60. Again not possible. Some other number take. Let me take middle number like 5 I'll take. 300, 3 5s are 15. Let's check now, these all same manner is there or not. So A is 5, here also A is 5. So these both should be the same. Here both are same. And B both should be same. Here also B and B both are same. Means see first. First one same. 0, 0 same. And A same. That means 5 and 5 same. And then C should be different. So that here different number as 1. So at last our answer, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0, and then C is equal to 1. Understood this? Anyone having any doubt in this? Ask me now itself. Once again, observe carefully. Here AB into 3 is equal to CAB given. That means first number, whichever you are multiplied, that number only you have to get. And then whatever here number, for example, if 15 into 3 means here 15 only you have to get. But it is not possible to get with the 15, then go for some other number, then again another number. In such a way you have to search. Here we found 50 as such kind of number. When you multiplied with 3 you get 150, where AB should be the same, that means 50, here also 50 getting, and this number is different. So at last our A is 5, B is 0, C is 1. Okay. So in that way you have to solve the problem. So that is about your problem number 5. Anyone having still doubt? Okay. About 3 is this. Sixth question, who is going to answer now? Same kind question, AB into 5 and CAB. It is AB into 3 CAB came. And now AB into 5 CAB, which is possibility is there? Very simple. 25 take, multiply with 5, what you are going to get? 5. 25 5s are 125. Here 25 as it is 25 came and C is different. So A is equal to how much? 2 and B is equal to 5, C is equal to 1. Check now this answers you got or not. If anyone having any problem, you just ask me now itself. Okay, 250. Very good. I hope so. In comment section how to write, that is you have some problem. But anyhow, because just you need to guess, only you need to type there A, B, C values in the comment section so that I can understand. So that is about your sixth problem. Let's move on to the another problem now. So just you have to guess and write the answers. Sixth finished. Let's move on to the seventh now. You have to practice more this all, then only it is possible to get. Next one here, AB into 6, then B. So this how you need to solve this kind of problems, like first 14 and then like next 24, next 34, next you take as 44, next 54. This multiply with 6, multiply with 6, multiply with 6, multiply with 6, multiply with 6. You need to try these all. 1 4 into 6, 14 into 6, 24 into 6, 34 into 6, 44 into 6, 54 into 6, 64 into 6, then 74 into 6 you can check. So when you are checking, these all cannot be your answers. You won't get as a answers these all. So let's check this part. What you are going to get it is, you are going to get 444. So now which is going to be your answer means this 74 into 6 is equal to 444. So you have to check 14 into 6 possible, no. 24 into 6 possible, no, you won't get, because you need to get all numbers should be the same. So when you solve 74 is multiplied with 6, then you are going to get 444. So now at last here I am going to write 74 into 6, 444. So why? 6 fours are 24, 2 carry here, 4 will be here. Then 6 sevens are how much? 42, 42 plus 2, 44. So at last you will write A is equal to 7, B is equal to 4. Whoever written A is equal to 7, B is equal to 4, correct answer. Very good. Correctly written. So in this way, this whichever here I was done, you observe them. This kind one you have to do in your rough work, and only answer need to be written in this place. Okay. So that is about seventh question. Let's move on to the eighth. Eighth onwards again additions. 8, 9, 10 additions again. So who is going to solve additions? Let me check. You need to answer now properly. At least additions properly answer. Let's move on to the problem number 8. That is given A1, 1B, then given as B0. So 1B0. Okay. So now what should be here? Number should be added to get that 0. it should be 100%, it should be 9. And then this also should be 9. Then what should be my A? So observe carefully, 1 plus 9, 10 you are going to get, 0 here, 1 will be carrying here, 1 plus 1, 2. How much should be added so that I'll get as a 9? 7 should be added. Completed answer. Very, very simple. So what you need to do first here, 0 is there, 0, 1 is added to some, which number you are going to get as a 0 in the ones place. 1 plus 9, 10 you are going to get. 0 here, 1 will be carrying here. Then 1 plus 1, 2. How much I need to add to get as a 9? So it should be 7. So now my answer at last, 7119 added, we get answer as 90. And here A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 9. Finished your problem number 8. Who is given correct answers for them? Give claps, everyone. I think first given by 7 and 9, right? So 7 and 9, 8 and 9, which is 7 and 9 is correct. Okay, Arukshita given 7 and 9. Okay, very good. So that is about your eighth one. Let's move on to the ninth. Guess fastly. You have to guess fastly. Use your brain fastly. You have to think. You should be like calculator manner right now. Okay, let's move on to the ninth one now. 2AB. Now AB1. And here written plus symbol again. B18. Oh, nice question here. Fastly you are going to get your answer. Once check here. So last one here, 8 I want, 1 is there. What is, which number I need to add to get 8? If you don't know also, just subtract here. 8 minus 1, 7. So it should be 7. 7 plus 1, then 8. One place B is 7. Wherever B is there, all the places write 7. This is 7 and this also going to be 7. Okay. So now let's check here. Here 7 is there and here 1 is there. So what should be A to get 11? So it should be 4. A should be 4. Then 7 plus 4 you are going to get as a 11. So then 1 should be here. 1 is going to be carried. If this is 4 and this A also should be 4, then add that. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. You are getting answer. So in that way you have to think and write. So at last again I'll write this part. So it is 2, 4, 7 and 4, 7, 1. You are going to get 8 and 11 and this going to be the 7. So at last A is equal to 4, B is equal to 7. So A is equal to 4, B is equal to 7. Whoever written, that is your correct answer. Very good. So started here. Riva first answered, then Arukshita answered, but Arukshita answer need to change. A is equal to 4. Shreya correct answer. Sundar written only B. Dimple written only B. Arukshita written again only B. Nishita written B is 7. A is 5 not. A is 4. Okay. All right. Nishan and Sundar written 4. Shreya written 718. 718. Okay, so you are written answer. Very good. Okay, so that's all about it. That's well and good. Done good job. Let's move on to the next. Next, 10th question is the last question for this exercise. For first exercise, this is the last one. And then second exercise, very simple exercise, only 4 questions we have. And that 4 questions within, according to me, it is for you all also, it is 5 minutes is enough to complete that. But before going to that, you should understand the concept. So last and final, 1, 2, A. 6AB, here plus symbol, and here written as A09. A09. Okay. So now we have to find out answer. So here only clue is here only, no other place. We are not got any other place as a clue. So how can I get the clue? So here 0 is there, that means this complete answer going to be the 10. So which number should be? A should be 8, then it is going to be the 10. 1 will be carrying here, then 6 plus 1 plus 1, 8 you are going to get. So this is 8, here also 8, and here A is there, that means 8. How much I need to add to the 8 to get 9? So 1, so that B should be 1. So once again I'll write here 1 2 8 6 8 1. Add both, what you are going to get? 9 10, 1 carry, and then 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6 8. So now A is equal to 8 and my B is equal to 1. So 8 and 1, whoever written, that is correct answer for your problem number 10. So that is about exercise number 1. Anyone having any doubt? Now itself you can ask me. Anyone having doubt? So I hope so no one having doubt in this. All right. If you are not having doubt, let's move on to the next exercise. And I think that is solutions of next exercise only 5 minutes, but the concept it takes some 10 minutes. Okay. Let's complete the two and we'll finish our chapter, that is chapter 16, playing with numbers. Let's start now. Next concept is the divisibility rules. Next one, we need to understand what are the divisibility rules. So firstly I'll complete, you just concentrate here. Divisibility rules of 2, 3, 6, and I'm going today you are going to learn these only. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, I'll take 5, 6, and then let me take as 9 and then 10. This much enough. So you need one exercise. If you want to solve that second exercise, you need only this 3 and 9. But we are going to discuss 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10. Okay. So divisibility rules means it is very simple. What you need to know is if some number is given to you, whether that number is divisible by 2 or not. You need to find without solving that. Without solving the problem, you have to tell. How to tell? That means observe now. What is the divisibility rule for divisibility rule for 2? So last digit is 0 2 4 6 8 is there, then it is divisible by 2. For example, 4 3 2 1 is there. What is last digit? 1. So that we can write not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2. If it is like 3 4 5 7 8 9 2 0 is given, what is last digit here? 0. So according to this condition is what is the divisibility rule for 2? Last digit is 0 2 4 6 8 is there, then it is divisible by 2. So here 0 is there, so you'll write divisible by 2. Finished. You are understood? If you are understood concept, just keep the thumb symbol so that we'll go for divisible rule for 3. Yes, sir. Understood. Even. Okay. Now I'll give for you some two numbers. You just tell to me whether it is divisible or not. 1 3 4 5 6 7 9 9 9 9 9 3 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2. Then 4 is given. So it is divisible by 2 or not. Another number 999999999. So whether it is divisible by 2 or not. So first number divisible or not divisible. Second number divisible or not divisible. Firstly tell to me. Okay, first one is divisible. Why? If it is divisible, you need to tell that why. Last digit is 4, divisible. Last digit is 9, not divisible. That you have to mention in the comments. Okay? Alright. I hope you all understood that because you are answering. Let's move on to the next one. Divisibility rule for 3. Next one. Divisibility rule for 3. So divisibility rule for 3 procedure is different. First, whatever number is given, add all the digits. First step, add all the digits. After adding all the digits, then if it is multiple of 3, then it is divisible. Not the multiple of 3 means divisible. 3 means 3 table numbers. What are those? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, those are. So if not, it is not multiple of 3, then it is not divisible. Okay? All right. So after that, let's take some number 3, 4, 7 and 1 is given. So now how to solve this? Let's check now. First step, add all the digits. 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 1. What I'm going to get here? 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 is multiple of 3 or not? It is multiple of 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 3. Next, one more I'll take. 3, 4, 7, 0 I'll take. Let's check. 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 0, you get as 14. 14 is multiple of 3? No. So that it is not divisible by 3. So similarly, 9 also same. Add all the digits, and if it is a divisible by, if it is multiple of 9, then divisible by 9. Otherwise, no. Similarly, 5 table, multiple of, let's take the divisibility rule for 5. Last digit, last digit is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Last digit is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. So that divisible rule for 5 finished. Let's move on to the 10. Last digit is 0, then only it is divisible by 10. Then 9 also finished, 3 also finished, 2 also finished. What is 6? So divisibility rule for 6 is that if any number is divisible by 3 and 6, then only it is divisible by 6. 3 and 2, because 6 you will write it as 3 into 2. That is the reason. So if any number is going to be any number divisible by 6 you want to find, means it need to satisfy first divisibility rule of 3 and divisibility rule of 2. These both are satisfied, then we can say that it is divisible by 6. Meaning of that, if any number want to be divisible by 6, it need to divisible by 2 first, it need to divisible by 2, then it need to divisible by 3, both. 1 is not done also, we can say that it is not divisible by 6. I hope you all understood the concept. Anyone having any doubt? Okay, if you are not having any doubt, let's go for that exercise. I think 5 minutes is enough to complete that complete exercise. Let's check now. Simple questions, that is our exercise number. Now we are going to discuss exercise number 16.2. 4 questions only is there, and we'll finish it off now. Exercise number 16.2. First question. If 2y5 is a multiple of is a multiple of 9, where y is a digit, what is the value of y? So that means, what is the divisibility rule for 9? I said, first add all the digits, then check if it is multiple of 9, then only it is divisible by 9, otherwise no. So now I need to find this y value, meaning of that it should be it should be divisible by 9. In that way you have to find. Let's check here. So what is step number 1 in the solution? Step number 1. Step 1 is that 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. So what you get? 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So 8 plus y. How much I need to add to get 9? Only 1. So that 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then it is divisible by 9. So therefore what will y is equal to 1. Finished your answer. Very good. Whoever given 1 as answer, for them give clap. Yes, 3 and 9 both are same. Next, second question. If 3 1 z 5 is a multiple of 9, is a multiple of 9, where z is a digit, find the value of z. Okay, same kind question. Once check here. What is my step number 1? Is add 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. What you are going to get now when you add this? So 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus z. Then you have to use 0 to 9 digits and you have to solve the problem. How to use that 0 to 9 digits and how to solve? Let's check. So step 2, what you need to do? Step 2 is, here 9 plus z, they said 9 plus z is only the digits you have to use. Digits are 0 to 9, you know. 9 plus 0, 9 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 9 plus 3, 9 plus 4. So first write 9 plus z, then write this. So then 9 plus 5, 9 plus 6, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 9. In this way you have to write. Step number 2. 9 plus 0, 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. In this, which are 9 multiples? 9 is a 9 multiple. 18 is a 9 multiple. Therefore, what should be your z values? 0 here added, here 9 added. So at last, therefore, z is equal to 0 comma 9. Finished your answer. So last one, z is equal to 0 comma 9. So that is about second one. Let's move on to the third one now. So now we are going to solve that third one. All right. So I'll solve here. Third and fourth we finished, means completed this chapter. Very simple chapter which gives for you 6 mark in your main examination. So I'm going to write here now third question. If 24x 24x is a multiple of 3, is a multiple of 3, is a multiple of 3, then what I need to find? Where x is a digit, what is the value of x? Same kind question. Here 9 multiples, here multiple of 3 said 3 multiples. Very simple one. Step 1, here solution. In that step 1 is 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus x. And now step 2, first write 6 plus x, Then write all the digits. 6 plus 0, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 6, 6 plus 7, 6 plus 8, 6 plus 9. Let's check the numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now check 3 multiples. 6 is a 3 multiple, 9 3 multiple, 12 3 multiple, 15 3 multiples. So at last, therefore, our x is equal to what is my numbers? 0 is added, then 6 came, so 0. Another 3 is added, you got 9, so that 3. Next, 6 is added, so that you got 12, so that 6. And then 9 is added, you got 15, so 9. So x values are here 0, 3, 6, 9. Very good. Whoever given that correct answer, for them give thumbs up. So let's move on to the last and final problem. So I'll rub this first part, and here I'm going to write my last and final problem of this chapter. Last and final. So fourth question, if 31Z5 is a multiple of 3, again same question, multiple of 3, where z is a digit, what might be the value of z? Very simple one. Again solution, our step number 1, 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. You get answer as 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 is nothing but 9. So you get this is equal to 9 plus z. So now step number 2, add all the digits. So now here 9 plus z, then 9 plus 0, 9 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 9 plus 3, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 9 plus 6, 9 plus 7. And anyhow, this part also I'll rub. Next, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 9, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 9. Let's check. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, it is multiples of 3 we have to check. 9 is a multiple of 3, 12 multiple, 15 multiple, 18 multiple. So that what is our answers? Z is equal to, therefore Z is equal to 0, 3, 6, 9. 0, 3, 6, 9. Finished your final answer. I hope you all understood. Anyone having still doubt? If you are understood, just keep the thumb symbols and inform to me. Yes. Okay. Understood the whole chapter. Okay, very good. So that's all about today's class. We finished this complete chapter, that is playing with numbers. Actually, this is you have to play like activities, but unfortunately, we don't have the chance of that. So you try, if your family members are there, you try with your family members and then try to play with these numbers and find out the answers. All right, may God bless you all. Tomorrow, if possible, we are going to start our chapter number 15, that is your introduction to graphs. Anyhow, complete your notes within tomorrow morning and submit to me by using this video. All right, may God bless you all.